Welcome to Cooking with Hilda. Today we are making a delicious lasagna with a twist. Traditional lasagna is made with grounded beef, grounded sausage. However, this one is made with a melt-in-your-mouth brisket. So you get ready to impress and surprise your family. So let's make it. So we start with the meat sauce. And for the meat sauce, we need the brisket, and we clean it and cut it in same size pieces. And we put these pieces into the Instant Pot. Super easy. My choice of liquid in this recipe is beer. Now, I don't drink, and if you don't drink alcohol, it's okay to cook with alcohol because actually the process of cooking evaporates the alcohol and just leaves the flavor. But if you prefer to use broth or water, feel free. So you cover the brisket with the liquid and then you season it and let it cook. Can't be easier. And while this is preparing, we're gonna prepare the vegetables to complete our meat sauce. Now, to finish the meat sauce, we need the brisket. So we take the brisket out when it's already cooked and we shredded it. And we add it to the meat sauce. So good. You can eat this meat sauce just like bruschetta style. It's very good. Now we make our cheese sauce. And for that we need eggs, ricotta cheese, Parmigiano Reggiano if you have, salt, pepper, and try to use the Italian parsley because this is of course an Italian recipe. And very good quality mozzarella cheese again. And we mix this. Now, as I said, mozzarella cheese cannot be grinded, so it's like crumble. It's okay if it is a thick sauce, that's okay. Now, we set this aside and we cook the pasta. Feel free to make your homemade lasagna pasta too. Now we need an oven-safe dish to make the lasagna, and now we spread a little bit of our meat sauce evenly, very evenly, and over that we put a layer of pasta and we cover it with cheese sauce and more meat sauce. And you keep doing these layers until you get up to 3 layers, but if you want to go 4 or 5 layers, I'm not telling anyone. And when you finish all the layers, you top it with some fresh mozzarella and loosely cover it with aluminum foil and bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And after this 30 minutes, you uncover it and let it for 30 more minutes. Now when you finish, the lasagna is gonna be delicious with a different flavor, so you're gonna surprise and everybody in your family is gonna love it. So thank you guys for being one more time here with me in Cooking with Hilda, making this lasagna with a twist. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. See you guys next time.